After placing a request to evaluate PADS Professional, you should have received an email with links to the PADS Professional online installer and your software evaluation license. If you did not receive this email, please contact your local authorized Mentor Graphics distributor using the information below. Double-click the online installer to begin the software installation. Please note you will need to remain connected to the internet until installation completes. Installation time will vary depending on the speed of your internet connection. Click Next. Review and accept the license agreement if you agree. Click Next to accept the recommended installation location. When the installation completes, click Close. You should now see the PADS Professional schematic and PADS Professional layout icons on your desktop. Download the license file named padspro.dat from the link provided to you via email and save this file to C PADS Professional Quick Start. Close all windows and proceed to Lesson 1.